Hi Kuzampula, I'm from Bhutan and my name's Kinga. As the summer rises up, so many flowers, plants, baby trees, and so many weeds which are unwanted to our gardens grow up. As a gardener also, we used to get so many work to be done. So many flowers grows up and with that we have to give so many help towards them by weeding all the unwanted things which grows up with them. And as a summer, anything can be grow on that season, so most of the gardener used to design their plant garden into a beautiful form. I also love to make the mini gardens into the beautiful form. This is my euphorbia plant which I have planted last time surrounded with the petunias flowers, but now they've spent up and unwanted weeds has grown up so much, so I want to make it over. In the place where I have planted my lily bulb, I have seen so many petunias sapling has grown by itself, so I'm just taking out the mature plant so that I can plant and make the beauty of my euphorbia plant surrounding with the beautiful petunias. My calla lilies are not growing as the spring season has ended and summer has started up. I'm planting my petunias. Hope this will make my euphorbias so beautiful with the surrounding with the petunias of different colors. As a summer, so many rains are falling naturally from the heaven, so I shouldn't have to give them so much water, but they are giving me so many beautiful colors of flowers, vegetables, which helps me a lot to have myself, but they also give me a work by bringing up unwanting things with them. So I love to take care by taking out all the unwanted things. In my gardens, I mostly do with the organic things as its chemical is very not that much good for the plants. So I love to do myself with my naked hands, and I love the every single minute I spend with them, cause I can see they shows more love towards me by giving a beautiful flowers towards me. I always wonder how the art, the nature, the universe creates the different colors and the features of it. From the same soil, they form in the different types of structures, colors, physicals, and all. I always stayed wonder how they form, and I think this will makes me do more gardenings like this every year. You know, I don't have that much friends surrounded with me because I don't get time to spend with them. I spend most of my time with these beautiful natures, talking with them, singing with them, talking with them, and sharing my nonsense things toward them. I've also some vegetables which help me to survive on this earth. I really enjoyed with my plants and flowers and vegetables. So thank you so much for staying till the end. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to see more about the flowers and plants, and to see more like these videos with me and to grow with me. Bye bye, love you all.